Hello everybody, welcome to Break Remake. I'm your host Joan. Today we're going to make this, a super easy Aloe Rosewater Face Spray. I'm doing a scant tablespoon of aloe vera, and I'm doing the aloe vera first because I know it's going to get stuck in the funnel, so I'm going to do all my wetter ingredients over the top of it so it'll push it down better. Here's my scant tablespoon, not full tablespoon, going down the hatch. I think I'm gonna need a chopstick. 1 tablespoon of witch hazel. I'm gonna pour it over the aloe vera and hopefully it'll all rush down. Bloop, 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 bloop. Ooh, gotta get that aloe on my fingers. That is it for the active ingredients. Now it's time for the smell good stuff. I'm just gonna fill my vessel halfway with rose water. The rose water is pretty strong smelling. You can use less if you'd like. I've got that halfway full. I'm going to go ahead and pour over some distilled water if you have it, or just regular water. I always overfill, so let's not do that this time. Oh, I forgot the fun part. Let's do a couple drops of jojoba oil. So you can have some face moisturizer in there too, along with the aloe. I'm just gonna do like 3 drops, and I might add more later if I feel like I need more. I didn't overfill it. Give everything a good shake. Get everything a good shake, and then you can start spritzing your face. You can look as juicy as an Instagram model with this. Don't forget to label your bottle. I'm gonna get some washi tape and stick a label on here. We are done with our aloe face spray. It's hydrating. It's got lovely ingredients. If you want to add essential oils, you totally can. Just make sure they're sun safe. Let me know in the comments if you would add anything different to this. I want to know your beauty secret. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more eco-friendly DIYs. We'll see you next time. Bye. It's got sparkles in it, but I think those sparkles are actually aloe vera blobs. Ooh.